What's up, guys? Dramatic Ocean here, and today I just want to show you a little something. So there's this cool little thing. If you go down to, let's see. I think it's down here. Yeah, if you go down to McDonnell Douglas and do the FA18, and then you can just go anywhere. If you do this and come there, I want to show you a little trick you can do. I've been doing this for a couple days or so. What I'm fixing to show you is how to go straight up into good old space. So we're gonna change view. Okay, so I don't. We're on the wrong one. Okay. Let's go back and change this. Did I think I did choose the wrong one? No, I chose McDonnell Douglas. I just don't. Oh, I didn't push OK. Now we go fly. Alright, so. If we go here. I'm gonna go to the runway. So, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna skip on over to the runway because yes, this is incorrect traveling. But okay, I'm just gonna come here. I'm just gonna start on the brakes to slow down quicker. Okay. That was a pretty good drift. Okay. So if we come here. Alright. So this is what we're fixing to do. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to come here. We're going to turn these off because we won't be needing those. And set the flaps to 10. Brakes. Go to HUD. And then just put your power like all the way in. Like, just go. And then take off. Put your gear up. Keep your power all the way at 100. Let's turn this down. If you look, we're gonna go straight up. So go straight up. This is a cool thing. Now you can turn your flaps back to 0. And if you keep going up, you're gonna go really high up. Like, I think the top atmospheric thing. Y'all are gonna have to tell me what. All I know is there's an atmosphere and a hemisphere. I don't know any more sphere things. You keep going up. If you look closely, maybe you could see some stars. Right now I see stars. But they're not clear, so keep going up. And sooner or later, it's gonna start throwing you down. So as you can see little dots, and those are the stars. Keep going up. See, those are the stars. If you look at your thing, I think your altitude is pretty incorrect. So at this point, there is no way of going anywhere up. And if you look, you can see how high we are. You can see all the sky layers. The sky. You're gonna get an alert saying that you're stalling, but that's fine. And then you just nosedive. And you can do this as long as you want. So just go and then pull back up. But if you look down at the bottom right corner, not the far right, but kind of in the middle, you see the red, it means I'm running out of fuel. So that means I need to start slowing down. So we're gonna go ahead and turn on my light. That was my bad. Here we go. Let's continue here. Alright, we're gonna change the flaps to 10. Trim the flaps to 10. 20. Trim is -20. Who knows if I'm gonna get a successful landing. Now, if you look at your altitude meter, that thing's going crazy. It lost control. It's losing, Your actual altitude is the gauge thingamabobber, whatever you want to call it. It would be in the, where it says altitude MSL. If you look down and you see your yoke, and you look two things over at your actual altitude. So here we're just gonna go to any airport. So we'll just land here. So let's go down. We're gonna put this we're gonna put this low so we don't have sun engine and we don't crash. But if you just keep going up, you can go pretty high, and you can see some pretty cool stuff from all the way up there. Put this up just a tiny bit. I'm lining up here with the little arrow thing. If you look down at the radar, you got them. It gives you your info, where to land, and what all. Let's see if we can get a landing. That's a mini airport. We're not gonna land there. There's our runway. And just so y'all know, this airplane can get pretty fast because it's a military jet, so please be careful. Watch what you're doing. Alright, I'm slowing down. See, right now we're at like 368 knots landing, so. No. At this point. Crash. Okay, well. We could do a short final. Well, you see, it kind of landed there, so I guess this kind of makes up for the horrible crash. Yeah, landing's gonna be one of the things I'm gonna have to learn. Come here, turn off the landing lights. We can turn off our... Well, I say we landed pretty good. And kind of got our nose gear stuck in the ground, but, I mean... Turn off our beacon. Strobe, nav. Now we'll keep on the nav. We'll keep our beacon lights on. We just don't need the flashing ones, the strobe. Did we get it? Yep, we got it out. Oh. Okay, well, I'm just gonna go back and do... We'll go back and do another short final. Alright. I think that's gonna be good. Yeah, we got, like, no landing skill whatsoever, so yeah. Alright, well, that was just a fun little thing I wanted to do. Thank y'all for watching. Like and subscribe, and see y'all later.